Brainard Tower, Cherokee 3133 Quebec is holding short runway 20 at hotel, ready for close traffic.
3133 Quebec, Brainard Tower, runway 20, clear for takeoff, make left traffic, and report to midfield each time.
Clear for takeoff, runway 20, making left traffic, report midfield 33 Quebec.
And November 190, Sierra on course heading.
150, Cherokee 190.
Alright, start your left turn on course, please.
Left turn on course, 190.
Alright, we got 250, climbing out at 75. A little bit slower climb today. 350. 450. 70. We're going to turn our crosswind at 750. 600. 700. Turning left crosswind now. There's the runway. We got 800.
Tower, Bonanza 70. Midfield, right downwind 20. 51 Romeo, the wind's 220 at 5, runway 20, clear to land. 51 Romeo.
900.
And how's my radio transmission? It's 5x5. Alright, 5 Romeo, thank you.
Turning left downwind here. We're going to be at 1,000. Keep it a little tight here. Traffic in front of me. And Tower Cherokee 33 Quebec supporting midfield for full stop, looking for the traffic.
3133 Quebec, your number 2, you're following Beach Bonanza, right base entry, report them in sight.
33 Quebec looking for traffic still.
190, frequency change approved.
I'm going to stay in this downwind until I see him. Tower 33 Quebec has traffic on final.
3133 Quebec, follow traffic. You want touch and go or full stop taxi back?
33 Quebec like a full stop taxi back.
3133 Quebec, following traffic, number 2, runway 20, clear to land. Wind check 180 at 8.
Runway 20, clear to land, 33 Quebec, number 2. Alright, so I'm going to clear here. Power going back down 1500. 1 notch of flaps. We're at 1,000. We're a little far out, so I want to keep the 1 notch in for now. I see the lights. It says I'm high. We're at 800. Still high. Second notch going. Turning base. Let me tap the throttle there. We got 1 red on the Pappy. Trim down.
317251 Romeo, exiting at Whiskey. Contact ground. You have a good weekend. 51 Romeo, you too.
Full flaps. Watch the speed. I'm at 70.
Charlie, contact correction right on Delta, contact going off.
33 Quebec is pulling off on Delta. Say last part.
Contact ground went off, and just hold short of taxiway Alpha.
Copy that. Holding short Alpha. 33 Quebec. Brandon Ground Cherokee 3133 Quebec. We're off on Delta, holding short of Alpha, like taxi back to runway 20.
Tranquil back, Brandon Ground. Proceed to runway 20 via Alpha and Hotel Taxiway.
Proceed to runway 20 via Alpha Hotel Taxiway 3133 Quebec.